If you're looking for distressed notes or distressed real estate deals, one of the easiest places to get started is look at your local county foreclosure list. Now, I don't target the actual properties in the foreclosure list, but I use them as hot leads to get into the right department at the bank to get on their note buyers list or their note investors list. I look at the assets, I pull the whole list, I get rid of the big banks, the Bank of America, the Chase, the Cities, because they're not going to deal with you on a one-off basis. So it leaves me with a nice chunk of smaller banks, smaller lenders, private investors, smaller mortgage companies that I have a better chance of reaching out to. So then I will contact the bank or the lender, try to reach their special asset department, the secondary marketing department. I'll even use LinkedIn to try to find the right person with that right department name at that institution. And I'll contact them and say, hey, I see you're foreclosing on these assets this month. What else do you have in your books that you're looking to get rid of? Or if you're interested in selling these, I'd be willing to make an offer. But most of the time, if they've got it on the foreclosure list and it's upcoming in the next month, they're not going to sell the note to you. They'd rather just finish it out with the foreclosure process. But that's okay. I'm not really looking. I'm just using that asset to get the right department, right name, and I want to get their list of everything they got available across the country, across the state, across their lending platform. And that's actually a better value add to what they need. So buying one asset, I could potentially buy multiple assets on a regular basis. And this is one strategy that I've been using for over a dozen years to find assets that make sense. Of course, sometimes I've even gotten phone calls back when they didn't sell the asset at the foreclosure auction. I was one of the first ones they called to see if I was interested in making an offer on the new REO, which is a great strategy as well. Now, of course, if you can't find the right person, I contact the attorney, the foreclosure attorney, the trustee, say, hey, can you make an introduction to me to the bank? I'm trying to buy the note on this one and other stuff that they might have available. And that works about half the time. So there's a strategy for finding distressed debt in your market.